welcome back to my channel. So as you all must have seen from the title, this video is all about the random things which I bought from Amazon. So these are all the products, so let's unbox them and see what all are those. And to be very honest, these packages are sitting in the corner from 2-3 weeks. I was not able to open it, so I have also forgotten what I have bought. But first thing, I need a scissor. So let's unbox the big box first and then we will move to smaller one. So this is the box. I really don't remember. I just remember that I ordered one glue dryer and I really don't remember what are the other products which I ordered. So this is the first package. We think we have one more product. So this is the first product which I got. This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in white color and I got this for $7. I really needed white kajal. And when I saw this, I was like, this is a good idea to buy this because you can use this pencil in multiple ways. White kajal makes your eye pop whenever you do eye makeup and when you apply white kajal. This is the product. Let's see how it... Oh wow. This, like, the texture is very smooth. It glides very smoothly. Nice. Let me apply it in my eye and see. So this is how it looks on my bare eyes without any makeup. Moving on to the next product, this is one of the big purchase. This is the Revlon dryer and styler. I have not used any dryer or any hair tool on my hair till now. Still, it's very thin. So I thought of trying this just to give some style to my hair. I think this was very cheap. It was around $50. So let's see how it will be and how it works. This is so big. Oh my god. If you see the wand, the brush, this is so huge. And this is in the oval shape. If you see here, this is not circle, this is the oval shape. And the bristles are also good. So you get this brush along with, there is, if you see here, we have all the settings. The right now it's an off, the cool, low and high on cold for. So I will see how we need to use this because I have no idea. So whenever I use it, I will post a short video about that. So do subscribe to my channel if you want to see my first impression of using this huge brush. Those were the only two products which we got in the big package. Now let's move on to the small package which I got. So let's open it and see what's inside. Oh yes, I remember. I ordered this L'Oreal Paris hairspray. This is in the extra strong gold version. I think they have different variant for this one. This is the spray which will hold your style if you are doing any curls or anything, hopefully for longer. My hair is very thin and it does not hold any style. I have done heatless curl, but it barely stays there for 15 to 20 minutes, not more than that. So I'm just hoping this will help my style to be there and just enjoy my different look. Let me see, what is this? Oh, this is the next product, the gel nail polish. So recently I started doing my gel nail at home. I generally do simple gel nails, so I do it at home by myself. But I just wanted to try the magnetic one. I've seen your videos and it looks so satisfying to be the magnetic part. So I ordered one of their magnetic gel nail polish. Let me open it and see what's inside, how their bottle looks. So there are two products in that package. One is this gel nail polish and other is the magnet through which we can create that magnetic effect. And the color, I think I got the silver color. If you see, this is in the silver color gel nail paint. I'm super excited to try these. Maybe the next time I'm doing the gel nail polish, I will definitely use this magnetic one. And this is the magnet through which we create that look. I think the one which is created with using the magnet is known as cat effect. Right now, I have not done any nail paint. I've just left my nails to breathe for some time and after some time I will be applying gel nail. If you want to see a complete video on that, let me know in the comment section. Moving on, in the small package as well, we have only two products. Let's move on to this package. So I bought this lipstick. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Teddy Tint and this one I got it for $56 and this is in the shade Skinny Tip. The swatches for this one will come in the short video. So if you want to see the swatches, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification so that whenever I drop a video on YouTube, you get notified. And the other thing which I got is this waterliner kohl matte eyeliner. This is from Annabelle. This is a kajal. This is what I got in white color and this is what in the black color. This is the black kajal and this also I got it for $7. This is the kajal. Wow. If you see the pencil, this is matte. The body of this pencil is matte. Oh wow. This looks so sleek. Nice. This is the product from inside and let's see the swatches. This was super easy to glide and it's matte black. Let's try in eyes and see. Let's try it in the upper line as well. This is matte black kajal and this is how it looks. I applied it on my both waterline because I feel it makes my eyes look more beautiful. So this is what it looks. Finally, we are at the last package. This is what came outside. This is the white pearl chrome powder for nails. Again, in order to get the chrome effect in your nails, this is the powder which Jewelry Salon uses. This is in the shade white pearl, but I'm so disappointed with this product because this product is so small and there is no applicator with this. Is what it is. And let's see. This is how the powder looks. Maybe once I do the magnetic effect on my nails, maybe next I will do this chrome effect, because I will have to see if I have an applicator for this. I will have to check if any applicator was included in this product or not, because I don't remember right now. But this is what it is, and I really don't remember the price for this one. I will put it somewhere here so that you can know. So these were all the random products which I bought from Amazon. So if you like this video, please do give this video a thumbs up, and see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.